video, I'm going to share with you the 5 best neighborhoods in Northlake, Texas. First up is Canyon Falls, and this master plan community has the most diverse landscape with trees and rolling hills. It's located east of I-35 and about 27 miles north of downtown Fort Worth. Now, with a little bit of construction and traffic, you're looking at about 35 to 45 minutes. Canyon Falls is located in 3 cities. We're talking Flower Mound, Northlake, and Argyle. And it has 2 different school districts, but the median home price is $527,000, with homes starting at about $400,000 and going on up to about $1 million. Canyon Falls has a fitness center, 400 acres of trails, pool, dog park, and social gathering places. By the way, my name is Dana Pollard. I'm a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. So if you're looking at buying or selling a home, we would love to be your team of choice. Call the phone number, email us, or click on the link below and schedule a Zoom consultation. Pecan Square used to be a horse ranch, and now it's a beautifully designed master plan community that kind of feels like its own little town. Building started here in 2018 and is going strong today.
Hi, my name is Jason Walker, VP of Sales for Highland Homes here on the west side of the Metroplex. We're in Pecan Square today, one of our favorite communities. It's got great amenities, it's got amazing schools, and the best homes offerings. We've got our 50-foot lots, our 60-foot lots, and even our competitive Home of the Year, our 40-foot lots. This
square is so cute. It has a main hall, a pool, playgrounds, large outdoor meeting pavilion, and a welcome center. Pecan Square won Master Plan Community of the Year in 2021 by the Dallas Home Builders Association, and it competes with Harvest. Pecan Square has some great amenities, including this co-working space. So if you work from home and maybe you're just tired of your 4 walls, you can take your laptop, bring it here, and just enjoy the beautiful scenery, maybe get to chat a little bit with neighbors and get your work done here. Home prices in Pecan Square range from $400,000 to $800,000, with a median home price of $498,000.
Hi, I'm Asher, and one things I love about this neighborhood is that it's super close. Like, all the people are close with each other. Like, it's just super fun, super you laugh a lot around here. So that's why I love this neighborhood.
What's your favorite amenity?
My favorite amenity has to be the arena, because I get to go play basketball with some of my buddies, pickleball, and just love it here. So.
Now, it does come with a larger HOA fee depending on the lot size of your home, or if you live in a townhome, and they range from $2,780 on up to $5,494 for the townhomes. All these homes are all set if you work at home. So at move-in, homes come with half gigabyte Wi-Fi, Ring video doorbell, and Echo Show. Harvest is an award-winning neighborhood, and it's what they call an agrihood. When Harvest is completed, there's going to be about 4,000 home sites, and the price range starts at about $300,000 and goes on up to $800,000. One of my favorite things about this community is this old farmhouse. It was here before the community was built. Let's take a look at the coffee shop. In 2022, Harvest won the Master Plan Community of the Year in the Dallas-Fort Worth area by the Home Builders Association. Now listen, Pecan Square and Harvest compete for this title year after year, which Makes perfect sense because they were built by the same developer. Just down the street from Pecan Square is the Highlands of Northlake. Developers, they call this sophisticated country living. With 222 estate-sized lots and some 50 acres of parks, a 2-mile hike and a bike trail winds throughout the community. This is a really charming country neighborhood. Students who live in the Highlands of Northlake attend Northwest schools. The Highlands of Northlake have homes starting at $1 million and going up to 1.7, and the average is right at about 1.2. 2 minutes from I-35 is The Ridge. This is a beautiful master planned community, and it's just about 10 miles south of Denton. The Ridge has the most unique park and the unique looking amenities, but I love it. Homes in The Ridge start at about $600,000 and go on up to $1 million. The median home price is $698,000. 'So if you love Northlake and want to move here or anywhere in Dallas-Fort Worth, we would love to be your real estate team of choice. Just call us, email us, or click the link below and schedule a Zoom consultation with us, and we'd be so happy to help.